So if you have been a subscriber of mine just recently or for a long time, you know and understand that GoHighlevel is the tool that we use to run our agency. And GoHighlevel just gave us the go-ahead, the thumbs up to be able to share this publicly. So what I wanted to do in this video is share with you the suite of AI tools that GoHighlevel is and has released, and their new offer that just came out that basically says you can go and try all of their AI features for free until December 31st, 2024. I'm going to go through the pricing. I'm going to go through your choices on how to implement these AI features, and then I'm going to go through each one of the features to show you how to use them. They're very simple to use, and what I love the most about this is when it comes to AI, it gets confusing. You see a lot of people that, they tie in ChatGPT, then they have Claude.ai. I get emails all the time from all these AI tools and, hey, create a chatbot with AI, create a conversation with AI, create an agent with AI. But the beautiful thing is that with GoHighlevel, you don't have to do or go to any of these tools, and we could just stick with one tool, one-stop shop to make life easier for you, for me, and everybody who actually decides to use this. Now, on this channel, I always talk about all the free resources that I give, the free courses that I have, a course that we used to sell for over $2,000 back in the day that we updated to help you get your bearings straight when it comes to this business, marketing agency, lead generation agency, AI agency. It doesn't really matter. The foundations to understand how to run this business are way more crucial than just following the shiny object after shiny object. And if you're stuck and you understand that, like, hey, maybe I just never learned the foundations of this business, so I don't have the authority to actually speak the truth to business owners, well, then what I would do if I were you, watch this video to the end. I'm going to share with you exactly how to get all of this stuff for free, learn from my coaches every single week, learn from GoHighlevel specialists every single week, and how to get access to a free private group that we go live in right now once a week and soon to be added twice a week. So before I jump into this, if you are new to this channel, my name is James Bondies. I have been coaching people in the marketing agency world since 2017, over 8,000 and counting. I have over 600 people who have put their trust in me to use GoHighlevel, and then I am able to return the favor by giving them a bunch of free stuff. Again, watch this video in full. You're going to learn exactly how to get access to all of this stuff. So before I jump in, welcome, like, subscribe, and comment down below, and share this video if you find it worthwhile toward the end. So let's jump on my screen right now. So as I mentioned, AI employee, we're going to start with that, okay? And so what GoHighlevel has done is they have created the integration of AI within GoHighlevel to allow to create agents, kind of like a secretary that can answer the phone, could actually dial out and be able to carry on a conversation with people, whether they want to know what the hours of operation are, how much your services cost, who the owners of the company, what does this company do, everything that you can basically build it for everything. I've done a AI agent training right here, but I'm also going to plug in that training in just a few minutes that you could watch it, and then I'll continue through all the other AI tools in just a second, okay? So before I jump into the actual overview of all of this, if you already have GoHighlevel and you want to get all my free stuff, I'm actually going to allow people to kind of skip the line. If you can't go get a trial, you can't upgrade, you already have GoHighlevel. Because this is free, it's not going to cost you anything. All I ask you to do is sign up for the AI employee using my affiliate code. Okay, so my affiliate code, if you click this season of AI, and you want to deploy this in your account from the agency settings, just put AI-J bond and apply the referral code, okay? I will earn a commission, but not until after December 31st if you decide to keep it. The pricing of this is going to be $97 a month, okay? And you get unlimited voice AI, conversation AI. Again, I'm going to go through all these: review AI, content AI, funnel AI, and workflow AI assistant. Okay, if you want to pay per usage, voice AI is 13 cents per minute. Conversation is 2 cents per message. Reviews are 8 cents per review reply. Content is 9 cents per 1,000 words, 6 cents per image. It's all relatively very inexpensive. If you start to add up all the other monthly costs of like Claude is $20 a month, ChatGPT is whatever, $25 a month, and so on and so forth, I can promise you, you're going to probably spend, depending on your usage, if you decide to go with the usage, then you may spend less than 97, or if you don't want to worry about going over, well, just choose the $97 plan. Now, you could also resell this because Go High Level loves to do this. And the way you would resell this is just go to reselling in your agency dashboard, resell AI. You could sell it for $197. You could resell it for $297. Here, let's do $297. Okay. And that is per client, per sub account. This isn't, you're not reselling this to somebody who has an agency or who has Go High Level directly. This is going to be for your clients. So I'll give you an example of an actual client where we're using Reviews AI. You could resell it to them, or you could just deploy the $97 AI employee and earn a commission as well. Okay, so you could choose one or two ways to do this. But this would be the usage. Again, $97 a month. This help doc explains exactly how to deploy it, but I'll show you exactly how now. Okay, so once you have the resell and you set your own price, you simply want to go to a sub account, one of your clients, and you can charge from location or do not charge from location. I would choose the do not charge location, because if you choose the charge from location, it's going to charge you the $297. Okay, so we want to choose the do not charge for location, hit next. You could do a subscription, okay? But again, it's free until December 31st, or pay as you go. And it gives you exactly what the build your offer is. I'm going to choose the pay as you go, and I'm going to hit start using AI. Okay. And so now remember, we have, this is, you're now on the free unlimited plan: voice AI, conversation AI, reviews AI, funnels and website AI, content AI, and workflow AI assistant. You're getting it all one stop shop. Okay. And I'm using a lot of these things in some of my clients. I have a lot of students using mostly the reviews AI, because that was really the one that was like one of the first ones, the conversation and reviews AI. That's what I've used the most, in content AI. But let's jump into the first set of these, which would be, we're going to just jump into the voice AI agents. And I will do an example, and I will make a phone call and do an example so you can hear it. I've named my agent Angela. I've set this up already. You can always click create an agent, set it up for yourself. And essentially, I named her Angela, and this is what she sounds like.
Before you put on a frown, make absolutely sure there are no smiles available.
And you could choose from different ones. You have a UK accent, expressive and cheerful, Tony. I like Samantha, so we'll keep Samantha the same. All right, and I'm gonna hit save. The initial message that you would put here is, hey, you've reached Local Market Vault. How can I help you today? That's fine with me. And then what are their goals? Okay, and so I have this set at, I can't, because I saved it, I can't switch back to basic mode. But basic mode essentially is just gives you like a few choices. Like they'll answer the phone and they'll say, hey, how are you? How can I help? They won't really know much else, because you can't really teach it anything without going into the advanced mode, which I'm in now. And so let me just go through this. Once you click the advanced mode, it'll have most of this stuff already in. And then on the bottom, you can add more stuff. For example, I sent it to, I said, hey, can you please learn all the information that is located at localmarketvault.com? And then please have these answers ready if the caller asks. If the caller asks for our hours of operation, please respond with this. If the caller asks for pricing, please respond with this. So on and so forth. If the caller asks any questions that you don't have an answer to, send them over to our live chat support. If the caller wants to change their credit card on file, just tell them that we can't do it over the phone, but you can visit my chat support and then tell them where it is, and they can handle it from there. They're available from 10 a.m. to 1 a.m. Okay, so that's it. I just added a few things. I could add a heck of a lot more, but the person that answers my phone calls, I'm going to be replacing with just this. I can connect. So then on the bottom here, I can actually call transfer this to a live person, which would probably be like, let's say, my sales guy, right? So let's say I have Nick, and I can send them to Nick, and I would just put Nick. I would give it their phone number, and when would the transfer take place? So I'm going to tell it when it would take place, and then follow these directions. Okay, I'm not going to do it now because Nick doesn't know about it. I could trigger a workflow where I could say, hey, if the person wants to change their credit card, this is what and then I could set up a workflow and connect it to this, and I could choose the workflow and just send them down a workflow that gives them their link, because I could pull it from my Stripe account, which we use something called stunning.co. So based on the email address in the form, it'll automatically send them with a webhook back. Now, this is getting a little sophisticated, but when you're working with a local businesses like a plumber or an electrician or a dentist, somebody in the dental industry, you don't need to do all of this, right? You really just need to have this agent be able to handle the obvious 5 to 10 questions. Like, maybe this person's calling because they want your address. Like, do you know how many people call for that? Hours of operation. Like, local businesses get phone calls all the time. Hey, are you guys open? Like, seriously? I mean, listen, I get it, right? People don't want to waste their time. So if you have this agent that can answer these simple questions before they get transferred to somebody that's live, why not do that? But let's go ahead and test this agent. Okay, so I could test it out by doing this. So I'm just going to hit call. Hello?
Hey, you have reached Local Marketing Vault. How can I help you today?
Hi, I was wondering, what are your hours of operation?
We are open from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Yeah, I'm looking to change my credit card on file. Can you help me with that?
We can't do that over the phone, but if you visit www.members.visibilitycloud.com and head to the bottom of the screen, you'll see a red chat support button. They can handle it from there. They're available from 10 a.m. to 1 a.m. Monday through Friday. Anything else I can help with?
Yeah. If I wanted to speak to like maybe a salesperson, or I want to get involved with the Local Marketing Vault, what can I do?
That's awesome. I can connect you with someone from our team who can help you get started. Could I have your name and email address to pass along to them?
Yeah, my name is James Bond, and my email is njumallc@gmail.com.
Just to make sure I've got it right, your email address is njumallc@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yes.
Great. Could you also provide your address, please?
Yeah, my address is blah, 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 blah. So that would be voice AI agents, conversation AI. We have autopilot, suggestive, or off. Okay. And we can have the supported channels of chat widget, live chat, SMS. I'm also going to go ahead and jump and split into that training right here, right now. This is going to be about the conversation AI. And one of the biggest things early on when ChatGPT just came out, you started to see all these build a bot, coding, all this stuff, right? And again, this is where I always said, forget AI until the technology catches up, right? We don't want to waste time, energy, and money, opportunity cost, with things that we already knew were going to happen. And so when you used to hear these things like, oh, I'm building a bot and you can train it, it was like, okay, well, I got to go get a software. I like, what's the software? What's this? What's that? Like, bleh. No, thank you. I'll just wait for Go High Level to do it, because Go High Level is always up with the times. And so now that I see it in this format, building a bot, right? Then it now makes sense. It's like, here's my bot settings, right? You can have a trial, right? So here I gave you an example. I said, who is James Bonnet? Sorry, I don't have that information because I never trained the bot. Oh, well, now this freaking makes sense to me, okay? And so on the bot training aspect, you can do it one or two ways. You can drop a URL in here, okay? And it'll start fetching all of the pages. So this could be your client, right? This could be ABC Towing, 1-800-Flowers, like whatever it might be. And this is going to get all the data that is on the website of your client, all right? And or you can just create your own common questions. I mean, this is an example of a coaching program, but like, how long... And then you train it and say, well, the answer that I would give is, Thanks for that. Thanks for the question. Or I would say, I would probably... Okay, so I hit save on that. And now if I want to go through like a trial here, reset conversation, I can say... James Bonnie is someone associated with Visibility Cloud, a local market vault, and has experience in business model for over 10 years. Where did I get that information from? I got it from my website and the training. I uploaded the link. You could add as many links as you want. You could upload a YouTube channel, like all these things, and it'll pull all the data in. And if you look back on a video I did about a year ago, it was my live event I did in July of last year. I talked about this. I said, look, we call it artificial intelligence and stuff, but it's really like not really. Like there's no robots walking around. This is just like you're inputting all of the information, and then the AI has the ability to crawl it, find the intent of the question, and then respond with the answer from the web page that it's crawling. Or we could reset this again. How long do I have access to the program if I become a student, right? You guys saw me do that. And so even though I put one question in there and I reworded it, once you become a student and pay your tuition in full, it spits it out, right? So this is where I do my bot training. Do you see why I now say, and I'm sorry if I repeat this every time I go through a new tool, but do you see why I said, wait, guys, wait until the technology catches up? Like now it all makes sense. It all makes sense. It's like, cool. I'll go into Go High Level, build a bot for my client. I mean, people literally charge thousands of dollars to create a bot, and now you could just do it in Go High Level, and it perfectly makes sense. Now you can also have the settings. So this is where you would autopilot, send message automatically, or suggestive. So it helps you within the chat window. And you could do it on all channels: Instagram, Facebook, SMS, Google Business Profiles, chat widgets, live chat. I mean, this is just groundbreaking stuff, right? And then you can have autopilot mode, configure the settings for the autopilot mode. You can have them if they land on a site and you have the chat widget. Do you want to send them a message right away? Do you want to wait a minute, 2 minutes, 3 seconds, whatever it might be? What's the maximum messages a bot can send to a contact? We have 10, but theoretically, if they keep going back and forth, you can go more or less. Send bot to sleep when I send a message manually or through a workflow. That just means that they're not going to keep getting bombarded. Over here, under the configure intents, support general questions, we want to enable that. Appointment booking would be an intent, right? If an appointment is already confirmed for a contact, the intent switches to a general support question. Pick a calendar, and so you could choose one of your calendars over here. So if they're saying like, hey, I'd like to book a call, but I haven't been able to get in touch with somebody or whatever, it's like, hey, if you want to book a call, here's the calendar link. Go book it. Then you can even come down to a conversation flow. The AI bot will ask the below information before sharing the booking link. And what would that be? Well, for me in this coaching business, it could be, are you looking to get coaching for your SMMA, right? And if it's for like that grits and waffle client of our students, it would say, are you looking to make reservations? Are you looking, what else are you looking for? Like, and you can add all of these questions in here that you want to know prior to allowing them to book. So it's like, okay, hey, you're looking to make a reservation. Is that correct? Yes. What day? Today. What time? 5 p.m. Okay, great. Here's the slots that we have open, and you can send them to an open table link or something like that. All right. And so that is the power of conversation AI. Okay, cool. So now I'm going to jump into the workflows AI. And what we're going to do is we're going to choose one of my workflows. So let's go ahead and choose one of my workflows. Let's just choose like here. Let's do this one. Let's go to this one. And here is an immediate opt-in email campaign that I have. And so I'm just going to click this button here. I'm going to say, describe this workflow. So that'll analyze the current workflow, and it'll kind of give me a breakdown and summary of everything that I have going on. Because maybe I did a mess up, or, I included something that I shouldn't have. And so it's going to give me kind of like a break. Instead of trying to figure it out here, I can look over here and say, hey, this workflow is going to start when a contact receives the lead tag. It's then going to wait a minute, and it's going to add the in the welcome sequence to the contact. Cool. Then it's going to send an email number 1. It's going to wait a day. It's going to check the conditions. It checks if the contact still has the lead tag, remove the in welcome sequence, wait 3 days, and remove the contact from the workflow. Perfect. If no, continue to send the rest of these emails. Wait 12 hours. And again, it gives me the summary. Why is this important? It's important because I can then be able to identify any issues that I might have. If I could tell you the amount of times that I've screwed this up, I actually just screwed up a workflow for GoHighlevel's AI training. I had a problem in one of the emails. It wasn't sending the emails, and I would have seen that in the assistance, okay? It also will enable us to, I'll just choose another one so I can start over, to assist with building. So I could ask anything about action triggers or about workflow. So maybe I'm confused about something. Maybe I want to say, hey, I don't want to send this to X, Y, and Z. I only want to send it to that. Help me build it. Okay, so it'll give me an assistance for that. So that would be the workflow AI. Then you could be able to build the entire workflow using AI if you choose so. The next would be funnels AI, funnels and websites. They're basically the same. So if I choose funnel AI and hit continue, I'm going to choose name of business. Let's do Passaic County, New Jersey, Plumbing Associates. Industry, plumber. Hit next, generate. So that's going to build, okay? And what it's going to do is it's going to build basically an entire funnel for me or website. I chose funnel. I would probably choose a website for this one. And so it's going to create the content. It's going to pull the content. And then all we have to do is put the client's logo in. We're going to put in where they're located, if I'm in my client's sub account, well, then it's going to pull the contact information. It's going to pull the sub account name, the client's name, and all that great stuff. And so this is what it built, right? Home, about us, services, contact us. We'll put the logo there. Reliable plumbing solutions. Now we're going to have to do some editing here, but this is essentially what it is. Emergency plumbing responses. I would change that image. Commercial plumbing maintenance solutions, advanced leak detection. Here's some Google reviews. It'll pull from Google business profiles. Share your plumbing success. Are you licensed? Yes, all of our plumbers are licensed, and it's pulling my contact information directly from my sub account. Okay, this is not a client of mine, but it would pull it. And then I just have to put the socials here, the logo, change what I want, connect a schedule if you want. Here's our contact us. We would have to add the services. We would have to add a form, right? So we still have to do a few things, but it creates it. And, obviously it's not pulling the best images. To be honest with you, I would want this to be like an image more like this, like that, something like that, right? So there's some editing that you would have to do, but at least you get the framework. Or again, you can get Go High Level under affiliate link or use that AI-J bond to deploy your AI features for free, and you can get my plumbing snapshot because I give 14 snapshots away for those who are on the unlimited plan. Anyway, so that's what that looks like. So let's jump to the next thing. I'm going to go ahead and jump over to the reviews AI because the reviews AI is something that I have utilized and my students have utilized immensely, have been able to add $200, $300, $400 a month to reputation management. And on this client, Bite Food and Coffee in Hackensack, New Jersey, if I click reviews, okay, I think on mine it would be reputation. Go over to reputation. Okay, and then you could go to reviews. All right, I don't run it in this sub account. Oh, I have it right here. Okay, so I actually do. So Andrew said the program is this is my coaching sub account. The program is everything they say it is. Listen to your heart. If it resonates with you, get rocking. Put in the work. Get your priorities straight. Follow instructions. Ask questions. That's it. And my reviews AI said, thank you for your wonderful review, Andrew. We're thrilled to hear that you found great value in the program. Your encouragement to others to put in the effort is much appreciated. We wish you continued success on your journey. I mean, can you get any better than that? Okay. Fantastic food. It will be streaming brat, 10 out of 10. Thank you for your amazing review, Mohammed. We're thrilled to hear that you enjoyed our food. Your recommendation means a lot to us. We look forward to serving. Now, why is reviews important? The reply. Google absolutely measures and looks at that when ranking. So responding to reviews, people that are business owners that are active on their Google business profile is very important to the ranking factors when it comes to this. So business owners don't have time to reply to the reviews. They don't want to do it. You sure as heck don't want to sit there and do it. So why not let AI do it? You'll be able to do all of this AI stuff for free until December 31st, $97 a month. If you want all of my, actually, I'll wait to get to the end to show you everything that you get by just dropping the AI-J bond into this apply referral code. If you want to start using the AI employee and all of the features, you're not going to get charged. And then simply just let me know that you did it, and I'll give you access to all of this. You're going to get my Go High Level Agency Master course. You're going to get my bonuses, agency website snapshot, my reputation management that everybody now is copying and selling, referral automation, ask referrals without having to ask referrals, contracts and client onboarding, our client qualification interview, how to get on a trial, convert them to a retainer, trial close onboarding form. Guys, this is stuff that you need to succeed, unless you just want to make it up and figure it out on your own, which shocks the heck out of me of why you would want to do that. Double tap prospecting, niche pricing, and traffic sheet. Let's just take a look at this one because I get questions about this all the time. How much should you charge if you're doing like rep management? $297. What if you're doing lead generation? $997. What if you're doing SEO? What if you want to package it all together for an electrician or a spa facial or auto insurance or divorce lawyer? Package it up for $3,500 a month. Unless you want to be like everybody else and follow the herd and charge the measly $97 a month or $197 a month and have to get 50 freaking clients to make any money, or get 5 clients at $2,000 and make $10,000 a month, right? I'm going to preach that until I'm blue in the face. High ticket is where you're going to make the money, not trying to get hundreds of people to get on a software that they're not going to use, not understand, and get confused. Imagine agency owners like you and how confused all of you guys are with Go High Level. And then imagine trying to resell that as a SaaS offer to business owners that are out changing hot water tanks. This is the season of AI, but it's also the season of common sense. All I ask is everybody that's watching this video, use your common sense. It is easier to sell the services, get them results, and run this yourself because you learn how to use Go High Level much better than they can. And you can do that by getting my prerequisite training, my setting up your agency, how to do lead generation using Go High Level, message marketing, reputation management, artificial intelligence, in-depth trainings, weekly Q&As for the last 60 days. They get updated every week. And then if you're interested in coaching, you could always grab that. Again, how do you get this? You get this by getting a Go High Level trial, or simply by putting AI-J bond, apply the affiliate code, and let me know that you did it. I should be able to see it on the back end. Now, before I get finished with this, we went through the created agent AI, conversation AI, workflow AI, funnels and website AI, and reviews AI. That would be 5 AI. Okay, so voice AI, which is the employee, conversation, funnels and website, the content. Let's jump over to content. So we want to just, to give you an example of some content AI, go to marketing, social planner. Let's go to new post. Let's post to this account and hit AI. We're going to generate with AI. Content title, 10 things. Here are 10 things that you're doing wrong in your marketing. Please provide the most common 10 mistakes businesses do in their marketing efforts. Okay, writing tone, casual. We'll do three variations. Length of content, medium. Some keywords. We'll do marketing, SEO, Facebook ads, Google ads. And let's do Google reviews. All right, and then we're going to hit generate. Here, I don't like content one. Are you making these mistakes? Hey there, savvy business owners, marketing gurus. We've all been there putting in the hard yards with our marketing efforts, but not seeing the results we crave. It's time to step. Here are the 10 common slip-ups you might be overlooking. You're not optimizing for SEO. Don't let your content get lost in the abyss of search engines. Ignoring Facebook ads. You could be missing on a huge potential audience. Email list gather. I'm not going to read all this. Don't let this mistakes hold you back, right? And then here's the third variation. Okay? So that's how you could also create content with AI. And so that would be the voice AI, conversation AI, funnel AI, our content AI, reviews AI, and workflow AI. All for free until December 31st, 2024. Again, if you want to get access to everything I mentioned here, free trial, drop the AI-J bond to deploy your AI employee and then all of the other AI features that Go High Level has. It's free. Remember, it's free. Any questions, get down. And if you want to really take a step in the right direction, anybody who uses my affiliate link either skips a trial or eventually in 30 days gets the unlimited plan of Go High Level or the SaaS plan of Go High Level. You also get access to 14 done for you funnels, my Facebook ads training, PPC training, Upwork Mastery, LinkedIn, cold email, all about local marketing, services, categories, getting your first client, how to close the deal, providing the services, and scaling your agency. Okay? I don't know what more you can ask for. See you in the next video.